Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you what to do with the God's Chalice and Blox Fruits. If you found a God's Chalice and Blox Fruit and are wondering what it's actually for, here's a quick rundown. The God's Chalice is an important item obtainable in the third sea, and it has two main uses. First, you can use it to summon Indra's true form. To do this, you'll need to activate the three colored aura buttons at Castle on the Sea. Once that's done, use the chalice at the altar to summon Indra for a powerful boss fight. The second use is to obtain the sweet chalice. You'll need the God's Chalice plus 10 conquered cacao to craft it. This item is required to summon the Dough King, another formidable raid boss in the game. So if you're holding a God's Chalice, don't waste it. Use it wisely, either to challenge Indra or craft a sweet chalice and summon the Dough King. Both fights offers high value rewards and are key to progressing further in the game. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.